Hello everybody, welcome back to Super Tech Services. This is Brian, and we got another cool video for you. On today's video, we're going to show you how to update firmware on a C4050i. Let's get started. Quick break from the videos, guys. Check out our website for our all-new eBay store with remanufactured fusing units and other parts. Amazing! Also, we got a merch store. More items will be added later. Back to the video. Alright, getting started, you're going to want to make sure that you have the file already downloaded. That's what it looks like here. This is our firmware file for the C4050i and other models as well. So just go ahead and double click it. This does only work on Windows because it's an EXE, but once you have this extracted, you can send it to Mac OS as well. So now we're just going to go ahead and press extract, and this just takes a couple minutes. We'll speed up the video. And as soon as that's done, it's going to create a folder, and we're just going to go into that folder and copy a file or two. So here's the folder up top. Just go ahead and double click that. And I'm just going to copy everything that's in this folder here, but I believe you only need the file that starts with FW. But we're just going to copy everything here. And then go ahead and place in your flash drive. You're probably going to want to make sure it's empty. And then it'll look just like this, and just paste everything right into that flash drive, right in the root, just like I did here. So you want to make sure that it's not going into any other folders, just right on the root, which pretty much means on the blank part. When that's done, we'll go ahead and place that into the machine with the power off, and then open up this cover here. And right on the top, there's two buttons, one on the top, one on the bottom. The one on the top is for the firmware. So what we're going to do is press that button in and then hold it like I'm doing here. Then you're going to reach down and turn the power on. Like I'm doing here, make sure the flash drive's in. So turn the power on while holding the button like I'm doing here. And you just hold that for a couple seconds. I would hold it for about 5 seconds or so, and then you can go ahead and let go. Now just wait a couple minutes until you'll see this screen here. If you get to this screen, you've done everything right. And you don't have to do anything here unless you want to edit the settings. So maybe you want to turn off the MFP controller or the scanner printer. But if you just wanted to install all the available firmware, just let it sit and make sure that the auto reboot is set on as well. And after a couple minutes, you will see that it completes. And then don't touch it yet. It will auto reboot itself. And that's all you have to do. And just like that, it should pop right back up. You can also check your firmware settings if you would like. Perfect. And that was how to update firmware on a C4050i and various other models as well. Thank you guys so much for watching, and we'll see you on the next video.